There have been a few watershed moments over the years where engines have come apart and people have suffered with their lives because of it. My name is Dan Cordasco, and I create computer models to predict engine failure dynamics, which help improve aviation safety. And we're sort of the last line of defense in that if there is a failure event, we want to make sure that all the fragments and debris are contained within the engine. We try to predict the physics with computer models of the way things break, specifically the way engines break, so that we can understand that and design to make them safer. This simulates a fan blade out event. This uses some of the material models that we developed and contributes to safer engine containment systems. Modeling impact is a really difficult problem. It keeps me hungry. I like learning every day. At the same time, also, I do feel a sense of personal responsibility.